Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm working on a 2018 Mitsubishi Outlander. So I'm gonna show you how to connect your phone to your Bluetooth in your car. So first thing first, you wanna press the home button right here, and you can see right here you have Bluetooth. You're gonna see that come up right there. And the next way to get to it is you press the home button again. That gonna come up, and you want to press settings, and you want to press Bluetooth, and you want to see press new devices. So it's gonna tell you to look for that on your phone. Okay, so you want to get to your phone right here, and you want to get to your Bluetooth. So you want to get where your Bluetooth is. Okay, so and search for, you just want to search for that. So that's what you're gonna see. Mitsubishi Motors Bluetooth, and you just wanna press and select it right here. It's gonna ask, that's the code right there, and make sure the code match there, which is always gonna match if you connect to the correct Bluetooth. Press OK, and that's what happened. You can see it's gonna ask you for access for your contacts and messages. So this is to, like, if somebody called you, their name will pop up on the display. So that's what this do. You can make yes, and that's it. You can go to media, and it will play the Bluetooth. It will play the song from your phone from media. Okay, and you can use it to make calls, play a song, and say you want to go back to, like, you can press home, you go to Bluetooth, press home, go to settings, go to Bluetooth, and pair devices. And this is where, because you only allowed to have like 5 devices, so if you come here and your Bluetooth is full, this is where you got to come to delete a phone to get some space for your device. Alright, so you want to press delete, then press OK, and that should go away. Same thing for this right here. You can just delete whatever Bluetooth you want to delete. Okay, and that's it, guys. Thank you for your love and support. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. Thumbs up. Peace out.